Hey guys and welcome in 2025. Today we show you a way how to exchange crypto to cash. The link of the exchange service can be found in the description. There are a lot of options such as bank transfer, Skrill, Payoneer or PayPal and more. For now, we select PayPal. You have to enter an email address of your PayPal account where the cash will be sent to, and you should add a contact email for support. This can be the same as your PayPal email account. When done, just continue by clicking on Exchange. Send your crypto to the generated address, and after the transaction is confirmed you will receive your funds on your PayPal account which you entered on the previous page. After the confirmed transaction you will have the balance added to your PayPal account. Subscribe and leave a like if this tutorial helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.